Okay, this video is a cure, or some cures, and cures for depression, baby. For depression. Alright, these are real easy to do, and they will help, I believe. Number 1, take a shower. Okay, take a nice shower. And the way I take my showers is I take the normal shower, and then when I'm all done, I rinse with cold water. Cold water at the end. Rinse. Some people say they like cold showers, but you know what? You don't want to take a whole cold shower because your pores are all going to close up and you're not going to get very clean. You want your pores open when you take a shower, nice and hot, as hot as you can get it. But when you're all done, take a cold water rinse. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, get outside. There's even a song about it by, I think it's Robert Palmer. Get outside. Take a walk, go for a drive, whatever. And there's 2 more, but these first 2 are really good. I've actually got another one. Okay, number 3. Make a list of all the bad things that you can do to make it worse. Okay? And the things, just make a list. Just think of what would make it worse if you did whatever. And if you're doing any of those things, I suggest you stop. And then make a list of things that would make it better. Okay? So just get yourself somewhere quiet if you can. Maybe the bathroom if there's no other option. Just get a pen and paper. Make a list. What could make it bad or what would make it better. And the last one is, we can do this right now if you want. Hyperventilate. Hyperventilate. I hope I'm spelling that right. The way you do that is just breathe in and out. Like, as deep as you can. Like that. You can do it right now. Do it about 10 times. Maybe more, 15. And then hold your breath. And you will start laughing. Hold your breath. I'm running out of room here. But there it is. There's 4 cures for depression. Number 1, take a shower. And do a cold water rinse afterwards. Do the shower as hot as you can. Hot as possible. Second, get outside. Just get the fuck out of the house or apartment, wherever the fuck you're at. Take a walk. You know? Or just sit outside or whatever. Important thing is to get under the stars or get under the sun. Walk or take a drive. And then, you know, sit quietly, make a list of all the things that would make it worse. What this does is it gives you perspective. Okay? And then make a list of all the things that would make it better, make you feel better. And the hyperventilate. You do it 10 times right now, do it 10 times. and then hold your breath. Take a deep breath, and then just hold it and wait. And you'll probably start laughing. Oh, I forgot one. Right here, get a pen and paper and write down why you're depressed. So that's number 3. And this is number 4. And this is number 5. Okay? Write down why you're depressed. Just vomit, spit it out. Write it down. Okay. Shower, get outside, write it down, make a list, what'll make it bad, what'll make it better, hyperventilate. Alright, that's it. Okay guys, this is another treehouse chat, because I'm up in my beautiful treehouse. There's a bird, I think that's a mockingbird. And that's it, onward and upward. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use, and the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.